In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable Klaviyo app embed on Shopify. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you manage your store settings, apps, and theme customization. Once you are inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Apps. This section shows the apps that are currently installed on your Shopify store. Inside the Apps area, look through your installed apps list and find Klaviyo Marketing Automation. If you can see it there, that confirms that the main Klaviyo app is already installed on your store. This is important because the app embed option will only be available if the Klaviyo app is connected properly. After confirming that, go back to the left-hand menu and click on Online Store, then select Themes. This will take you to the Theme Management area, where you can control how your storefront looks and how certain app features appear on your site. Next to your active theme, click the Customize button. This opens the Shopify Theme Editor. In this editor, you will be able to manage sections, layout settings, and app-related display options for your storefront. Once the theme editor loads, look to the far left sidebar. You need to click the App Embeds icon. It is the third icon down on the left side, and it looks like a small box grid. This section is specifically used for turning embedded app features on or off inside your theme. When you are in the App Embeds panel, find the option for Klaviyo. In some stores, it may appear simply as Klaviyo, and in others, it may be labeled Klaviyo On-Site. When you find it, make sure the toggle switch is turned on. This enables the Klaviyo embed within your Shopify theme so its on-site features can work correctly on your store. After switching it on, make sure you save your changes. Saving is the final part of the process, and it ensures that the embed stays enabled on your live theme. If you leave without saving, the change may not be applied. That is the full process to enable the Klaviyo app embed on Shopify. First, confirm the app is installed. Then open your active theme, go into App Embeds, turn on Klaviyo, and save the update. That covers everything you need to know.